Okay, today guys, we're making our peach spiked lemonade. So what you're gonna need is some Crown Royal peach whiskey, some peach lemonade, a cocktail pick, a lemon, some peach rings, and some cocktail cherries. Let's get started. So we're just gonna get our lemons prepared for our drink. So we're just going to cut our lemon in half because one half is going to be used just to juice the lemon and the other half is going to be for lemon slices. So I'm going to start on my lemon slices and I'm just going to cut a couple just like so. This is an easy drink to make, so this is going to be a fairly short video, but I do like to just show people, you know, little things they can do to, you know, make cute cocktails. And since the summer is here, anything with lemons is very vibrant, sweet, and give everything just like a little twist. So I have my lemon slices and then I also have my half of lemon for our juice. So let's get to making our cocktail. We're going to start with an empty glass, and what I like to do is just throw a lemon slice right there on the bottom, and then we're going to pour in just a little bit of ice, and I'm going to add one of our cocktail cherries. You kind of want to layer everything just so that it can be pretty for presentation. And then I'm going to add in some more of my ice. And with the lemon slices, you can choose to slice them in half or keep them whole. I do both. So this one I'm going to, you know, put it in. It is a half a lemon slice. And I'm going to continue to add in my ice to fill that up. Now we're going to go ahead and take our peach Crown Royal, and we're going to do about 2 ounces, or let's do an ounce and a half right now, because I want to make sure that I have enough room. So I'm just pouring it into my measuring, and I'm just gonna pour that. So that's an ounce and a half. I like my drink strong, so we're gonna go ahead and pour some more, and we're gonna make it 3 ounces total. Now we have our lemon squeezer, and we are going to pour some of our lemon juice in there, as much as you like. I'm doing a half of lemon, but feel free to do a whole if you want to. I think that'll be too much, but feel free to. You're gonna set that to the side. And now we're gonna do equal parts of our lemonade. And we're gonna do 3 ounces. This is an ounce and a half. This is another ounce and a half. Now we're just gonna make sure we take our spoon and just mix it up as much as possible. We're gonna push that to the side so I can show you what exactly you need. You're gonna take your bamboo skewer. You're gonna put a peach ring, a cocktail cherry, another peach ring, and another cocktail cherry, and you're gonna garnish the drink as such. And when you are complete, it should look just like that. So enjoy the cocktail hour. Bon appetit. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next happy hour. Goodbye.